Are you blind when you're born?
Can you see in the dark?
Dare you look at a king?
Would you sit on his throne? Can you say of your bite that it's worse than your bark?
Are you cock of the walk?
When you're walking alone?
Because jellicles are and jellicles do. Jellicles do and jellicles would. Jellicles would and jellicles can. Jellicles can and jellicles do.
When you fall on your head, do you land on your feet?
Are you tense when you sense there's a storm in the air?
Can you find your way blind when you're lost in the street?
Do you know how to go to the Heaviside lair?
Because jellicles can and jellicles do. Jellicles do and jellicles can. Jellicles can and jellicles do. Jellicles do and jellicles can. Jellicles can and jellicles do.
Can you ride on a broomstick to places far distant? Familiar with candle,
With book and with bell.
were you Whittington's friend?
The Pied Piper's assistant. Have you been in alumnus of heaven and hell?
Are you mean like a minx?
Are you mean like a lynx?
Are you keen to be seen when you're smelling a rat? Were you there when the pharaohs commissioned the Sphinx?
If you were and you are, you're a jellicle cat. Jellicle songs for jellicle cats. 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 We can dive through the air like a flying trapeze. We can turn double somersaults, bounce on a tire. We can run up a wall. We can swing through the trees. We can balance on bars. We can walk on a wire. Jellicles can and jellicles do. 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 Jellicle songs for jellicle cats. Jellicle songs for jellicle cats. Jellicle songs for astronomical highs. Handling pieces from the Messiah. Hallelujah and jellicle choir.
I was beautiful then. I remember the time I knew what happiness was, and the memory lived again. Every let this be our prayer. When the winds are red, lead us to the place, guide us with your grace, give us peace so we'll be safe.
Ladies and gentlemen, the second prize for the dance competition goes to either the brother or sister of James Bond, because he or she is number 7. Okay, so number 7. There you go, up and away. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, the flying bird with the new dance now. Thank you very much. Oh, I wonder. Check out the mask, man.
It's handmade, huh? Wow. Big hand once again, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, PSP. Thank you very much, Miss Dixie.
Winner, which will represent Malaysia for the Hollywood Studios in the year 2010. You goes to contestant number 6, ladies and gentlemen. Look forward. Big hand to number 6. Wow, there you go, the Wonderla Rachel. Because of the good transfer color.
Patrick says it's 916 gold. Keep it. Okay, because you become expensive in the future. Thank you very much, Mr. Patrick, in front of mine. We're gonna give our prizes. We did that.